Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. This is my hydro store. And do you know who the #1 money-wasting have you ever hydro grower is? Nobody wastes more money than this grower. Do you know who it is? They'll come in the store and they'll be like, "Hey, Grow Boss, have you ever heard about this company that makes this light with the perfect spectrum? Have you ever heard about this spectrum recipe?" And I say, yes, I have heard of that light. No, I don't carry it because nobody else asked for it. You just saw the commercial and rushed right over here. But that's not the point. If you have ever told anybody, or if you have ever bought a light, or are you considering switching your light because you think that spectrum is the key that's going to blow your shit up and fill your garden full of colas that look like this, then you should probably go to my website, thegrowboss.com. You're definitely going to want to get a copy of my book, The Grow Book and Equipment Guide. You're probably going to want to get like a 1-hour consult. I got some videos on there you can watch too. But most importantly, post some pictures for us to look at while you're there. And if you want some help growing colas that look like this in every trellis hole in your garden, then you're going to want to watch my live stream, YouTube, Saturday, 10 a.m. You can StreamYard in. We'll look at your garden, I promise. I promise. You don't want to be the have you ever grower that comes to the store looking for the right light spectrum.